pride and gratitude in our heart, we are celebrating one of the most important day in the history of our nation, Independence Day. On this day, 15th August 1947, India broke free from the chains of British rule and began its journey as a free and democratic nation. This day is not just a reminder of our freedom, but also of the sacrifices, struggles, and bravery of countless freedom fighters who gave everything for our country. The journey to freedom was not easy. Our freedom fighters faced brutal torture, long imprisonment, and even death. Many, like Mahatma Gandhi, chose the path of nonviolence and truth, while others, like Subhash Chandra Bose, believed in armed resistance. Leaders like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Maggal Pandey, and countless others devoted their life for our nation's freedom. Ordinary citizens, farmers, women, and even children took part in moments like Dandi March, Quit India movement, and non-cooperation movement. They were beaten, arrested, and yet they never gave up. Their courage and sacrifice lit the path to independence, and we owe our freedom to their indomitable spirit. India is not just a land, it is a feeling of unity, culture, diversity, and resilience. Our country is known for its natural beauty. From the snowy mountains of the Himalayas to the golden deserts of the Rajasthan, from the lush green forests of northeast to the calm backwaters of Kerala. The holy rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra have nurtured our civilization for thousands of years. Our festivals, languages, foods, clothes, all respect all reflect our rich and diverse culture. But India is not just beautiful in appearance, India is also powerful in spirit. Since independence, our nation has achieved great progress in every field. We have become the largest democracy in the world. We are now a nuclear power, a space explorer, and one of the fastest growing economies. The successful Chandrayaan and Gaganyaan missions show that India is touching the stars, quite literally. In the field of science and technology, we have made our mark globally. Our doctors, engineers, scientists, and entrepreneurs are respected worldwide. In sports, India has produced legends like Sachin Tendulkar, Mary Kom, PV Sindhu, Neeraj Chopra, and many others. In education and innovation, we have built top institutes like IITs, IIMs, and ISRO, which are symbols of excellence. And most importantly, we have held on to our values non-violence, peace, and democracy. We have shown the world that no matter how diverse we are in language, religion, and traditions, we are united as Indians. However, with freedom comes responsibility. It is now our duty, as the youth of this country, to carry forward the dream of our freedom fighters. We must work hard, stay honest, respect our nation, and always be ready to serve her in every way we can. Let us not take our freedom for granted and let us do something every day to make our country proud. I would like to end this with a beautiful quote by the great freedom fighter Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Freedom is not given, it is taken. Let us salute every soul who made our freedom possible. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.